Okay, let's take a little look at this morning's morning move. In fact, it was a rare one because I took it in the Aussie dollar, made $279 in this funded account. So net profit of the day, 468 in the funded account, guys. Okay, so it was a rarity trading the Aussie dollar. Normally I trade the DAX for the morning move because that's where you get all the volatility, and the FX pairs, the pound, US dollar, euro dollar, but not the Aussie dollar. I don't tend to trade the Aussie dollar in the morning move. But let's dive into the reason I got in, the reason I got out, and how I could have done better on this trade. So here it is, 279. Let's dive into the chart. So the goal for the morning move is to make your day's money as quick as possible before 9 a.m. I don't want to be trading the rest of the day. I want to be doing other things. So getting that volatility move in the morning is crucial. Okay, so I want to go hunting. I just don't trade the German DAX. I want to trade markets that are moving in the morning, because in the European session, that's when you get all that volatility, and it starts from anytime from 7 a.m. So we've got a buy signal here. In fact, Aussie dollar came up on the scanner. We had a little bit of news on overnight. Came up on the scanner to buy this market. We got the buy signals, and suddenly at 7:20 we just took off. Broke out, green pro trading system buy, tracks turn green as well, which is a absolute must if you're going long. 3 tracks were green, started pushing higher. Then suddenly I get out the trade. The reason I'm getting out the trade is because I'm managing another trade in my spread betting account. This was done in my funded account on the Aussie dollar. And I got out too early. I made a mistake here. I should have got out on the red right here. I gave back, well, I didn't give back anything, but I could have capitalized on about another 30 to 40 points, guys, in here on that red. Okay, but if you're not focused on it, then I'm gonna make mistakes like this, and the reason is I could have made much more, and the reason is because I was focused on the other account. There was another setting up that I wanted to take in my spread betting account, so I went over to that and took that. But look, tomorrow I will make sure I follow and get out on the red pro train system, because that tells me now new sellers are coming in. When the sellers are coming in, it turns red. All right, so when it's green, buyers are starting to step in here. So we got this move higher on our scanner. The scanner came up saying pro train system buy, and away we went. So what a lovely move. When it took off, it just did not look back. Buy signal on the morning move is a green buy signal. Okay, red exit signal is right in here. All right, and look, for the NASDAQ morning move, which is the London afternoon session, which is at 2:30 London time, we've had an incredible short trade on the NASDAQ. I'll do that on another video for you guys. But when we're trading the morning move, look, we're doing it for freedom. We're doing it for not having to do anything for the rest of the day. We're going for our day's money on the pro trading system. All right, guys, hope it helps. Don't forget to register, or I will say register. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a like and give us a thumbs up, and give us a comment as well. And we'll talk more about the morning move. It's the freedom trade, really. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon. Take care.